The Uganda prison spokesperson Frank Baine has given a detailed report on the status quo of the inmates and the prison cells themselves.
This time our prison population has dropped a bit to 63,982. You remember we had gone to 64,000 something. The breakdown is that the remands are 32,300. Convicts are 31,449. The debtors are 228. The women still remain around 2.1% at a population of 2,894.
Baine noted that cases of COVID-19 in the prisons as of last week were 140, with 135 prisoners and 5 staff. He also highlighted on the spread of the virus in the prison services, saying that they have registered cases even in the isolation centers like Mogoye, Ngora and others.
We received 2,000 doses of AstraZeneca vaccine for prisoners, not staff, but prisoners. And which prisoners? The category of prisoners to be covered by this are the elderly above 50 years, and those who may be below 50 years, but with specific ailments that would endanger their lives. Of course, the population of that category are about 6,000, but having 2,000 doses is a good start.
Baine has also commented on the need for vaccinating the prisoners, as he urged the prison staff to utilize the available points allocated by the Ministry of Health to eliminate fake vaccination.
Second consignment, or the second batch of the vaccines that came, there was no specific allocation to prisons officers who had not got the second dose, or those who had missed the first dose. So the advice to all is that you should use the services allocated by Ministry of Health near your place of work.
Last week, the magistrate of Nakawa Magistrates Court ordered the prison services to provide health services to suspects who were arrested in regard to the attempted assassination of General Katumba Wamala and murder of his daughter and driver. And according to Baine, their health status has greatly improved. He has also commented on the way these suspects were brought to courts of law.
Good news I have is that they are all stable, they are all well managed, and I think the rest course of justice will continue to take place. Of course, in some corners, some people are like, the Prisoners Act says the officer in charge should not take on prisoners who are severely beaten and the like. But in the discretion of the OC, it was a manageable situation, and it is still a manageable situation. So he did not violate the act, but he is part and parcel of the justice system of this country.
In the same line, the police spokesperson Fred Enanga has also talked about the issue of torture towards the assassination suspects.
Akwatibwa ku police nga wakakwatibwa wano tukukebera okulaba ebisago oba olina ebisago ku mubiri oba nedda, n'ekiseera oba otwalibwa mu kooti nawo tuddamu ne tukukebera naddala mu zino emisango egy'amaanyi. So foomu zaffe tuziina eziraga buli musibe yenna yenna yakwatibwa atya, naye nga twagala obbategeeza nti abantu naddala abatujju sibabeeranga abasibe abaabuli.
He also cautioned those who are intending to protest in regard to relief distribution.
Some people are receiving money, others are not receiving money, but I want to request you, let us keep calm. I have seen some people try the acts which may lead them to come to my side. If you don't agree with the list which has been brought, don't destroy it. Get yours to compare with the one which has been presented. And the message still stands. Congestion notwithstanding, if you are caught doing wrong, we still have space for you.
This story has been compiled by Issa Chigongo for Channel 44 Prime News.